I've never done this before. There are some things in life that you just don't want control over. I can't see my whole head, so I don't really want to do this, but I'm doing it for you guys because I think you're gonna like it more than me just getting a regular haircut. I'm gonna start with the center part all the way to the back. How does the split look? I'm gonna comb everything really nice and softly balanced forward. And I don't think I'm even gonna section it, which I wouldn't necessarily say that's a good idea. I don't think I have a choice. How do people do this so freely and not think about it? So I'm gonna try not to lift my head up, you know, or go down. I'm gonna try to keep it as straight as forward as possible. Okay, I'm gonna hold it with my fingers so I can like see better. And then I'm gonna lift it out a little bit so I don't cut my fingers off. Oh my God, is that a lot? Probably necessary. And just cut it. I can't believe this is my half of my head of hair. This is nothing. There's my first little cut. How does it look? And now we go to the other side. Pull this side down. Does those look even? Now I'm gonna pull on them. Oh, this side's shorter. So we're gonna cut that off. This is not gonna look good when I push it back. There's no way. So the problem with doing it this way, where you cut everything in the front, is then when you push it to the back, this bit sits shorter and this bit sits longer because it's traveling up to the front. So you push all this back and it goes into a bit of a V. So let's check it out. What does it look like?
So it's definitely not perfect.
Oh no.
But if you don't want to pay for a haircut, it's definitely good enough.
Can you fix it?
Oh yeah. It honestly looks fine. Like once you style it, it's gonna be great. It's just, if a hairstylist checked the work, they'd be like, okay, this sucks.
Yeah. Okay, so now that we fucked that up, let's start by adding some layers. Wow, I really don't wanna do this. I'm gonna take sections starting in the back, work my way up to the front, pull it over a little. I'm gonna cut this stuff off. Okay, I have some layers. I'm gonna take another section. Am I teaching y'all how to cut your own hair? Technically, kind of, but also not necessarily recommending it because it's hard. So I'm just taking sections going this way, lifting everything straight up, and then like bringing it out of my head so that it kind of creates like a little diagonal section there, and then cutting those little bitty ends off. And that just creates kind of soft layers in through the bottom. How do I do it on this side? It's going pretty good. This hand, which is interesting. So it's definitely gonna be very off. Really glad I have someone to fix this for me. Someone who cuts their hair a lot definitely knows the secrets to these things. So I'm trying to bring it out here, kind of just get to the ends, and then just trim those ends off diagonally. All right, now let's just bring big sections up and just see what it looks like. Like my whole head. And bring it forward and cut a little bit of that off. Let's take a section like that and do the same thing. Bring that forward. Oh my. Cut a little bit of that off. This is just going to be janky. Now let's just see where those land. Not bad. I think they're even. Amazing. I can cut hair. I'm kind of liking it. Now I do want a little bit more face framing. So let's start really small. Some teeny tiny little pieces here. Let's cut those like right below my chin. We're just gonna cut those straight forward. Those are starting pieces. All right, I'm gonna add a little bit more. Let's just do these straightforward too and see what happens. They're so fine that I don't think it really matters. So we're combing these down. They're starting to get really frizzy, so it's hard to tell what the heck is going on in here. But I think I want these to just go diagonally up into there. Okay, let's make those match. Just keep cutting more hair off until you don't have any hair left to cut. Just kidding. Don't do that. So I'm trying to make this kind of diagonal, and then I'm gonna cut off that split end. Let's see what those look like. Not bad, not bad. We need this section to be a little bigger. Angle it down, do a little snip. All right, now let's pull another section forward to just behind the ear. Can't see anything because all my hair's in my face. I can't believe that in 10 years of doing hair, I've never cut my own hair. And then YouTube made me do it. It's so hard to slide cut upside down, but I'm gonna have to do it. This side makes sense. Like that. I'm just gonna cut some little tips off that are split. Oh God. Not great, guys. Who knows what I've done to this thing. It looks a little fuller. Is it in a V? Gross. I've never had my hair in a V before. Yeah, it does look more full. I haven't had layers in a long time. I brought my face frame up a good bit. So let's blow dry it. Okay guys, this is my new layered haircut with a big bouncy blowout. So I think I was able to get more body in my hair because of the layers. As you can see, them kind of popping up a bit more and how much height I got up on top. So I'm not mad about it. And my hair did feel a bit healthier before I put all this product in it. Let me know what you guys think and if that was helpful and if you want to see Ruskin fix my haircut. Thanks for watching.